Hey, what's up, refinance coin holder? What's going on this time, my friend? As you can see here in last 24 hours, refinance will get a 0.03% profit. But if we check out, my friends, in last 12 hours, so 0.49%. That's mean to in last 12 hours, my friends, all crap from market is comfortable and every coin will moving upward. And you know this time refinance doesn't only get 0.49% profit, but Shiba Inu will get, my friends, 30% profit. Can you believe this? Absolutely, this is unbelievable and very high, but absolutely this is reality now. So try to understand, this is suddenly starting moving upward and I can't expect, but I am every time active now because I invest in 13 14 currency, my friend, now. So therefore my friends, my friends, every time active. So therefore I check out, my friend, the market cap, and when I see, my friends, to all crypto market is comfortable and moving upward. So therefore my friends, I decide to make video for all my viewers, my subscribers, to also they are all understand and be safe from loss and get a very good profit. So refinance holder, my prediction is 100% positive and I already predicate this coin. But please, this time I'm also going to again predicate this coin for shortly. As you can see here, every coin, my friends, are moving in this circulation, and definitely this circulation is clearly show you to at the end point the arrows is moving in upward direction. So I'm 100% sure to the price will increase now. All right, so this time, my friend, you will need to hold down, otherwise they will never give you a profit and you are very badly fails down. So be safe from loss, hold it. I hope, my friends, at the end of month, especially everybody knows this, my friends, too, at the end of month every coin will price pumps up, price will increasing. So therefore if you are also starting investing, holding, so I hope, my friends, I will give you guarantee to refinance will give you a very good profit. But if we check out, my friends, just in only the last 3 days are, so in last 3 days they were very badly fails down. After a huge jump, my friends, they will again fails down and absolutely completely go to the garbage. So therefore please try to understand, holders, to after a very long time refinance price will increasing. I think that's a really good news for all of you. I hope, my friends, in upcoming time also the price is more increased. See you next time, holders. Kindly like video and subscribe this channel.